How you doing? Are you sick? You got a cough? You got a cold you can't get rid of? Oh, I feel sorry for you. No, I'm going to show you how to make your own cough syrup today for under $1. Stuff you have in your cupboard right now or in your fridge. Ginger. You're going to use just about 1 inch or 2 inches of ginger. You're going to mulch it up. Sweet onion. Same thing. Really fine. Spearmint, peppermint. You're going to get some leaves. 5 or 6 leaves. You're going to mulch it all up. You're going to put it in your honey. Half a teaspoon of sugar. You're going to stir it. And guess what? In about 3 hours, you've got your own homemade cough syrup. Remember Grandma's Home Remedies? There you go. You've just made your own cough syrup for under $1. And I guarantee you, it's better than most of the stuff you'll ever buy in a store for 8, 10, 15 bucks. Tom Cincerak's my name. freedomfrominfirmities.com is the name of my website. You have to check it out. I'm all about natural healing, natural health. Check it out. The best home remedies on the planet are yours for free. Just check out the site, freedomfrominfirmities.com. Have a good day. Hope you're feeling better soon.